Hey, this is Nathan Clark with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and check out this quick video on how to make your home more appealing to the buyer when you sell your home. If you'd like more videos like this, check us out at nathanclarkteam.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. So you want to make your home more appealing to the buyer. I'd really give you 3 simple and easy ways to increase the show value of your home. These are easy to do and cost next to nothing, yet will add appeal to your home really instantly here. So the first thing you want to look at is storage. Storage is something every single home buyer is looking for and can never have enough of. When you can't add storage, there's a way to maximize what you have. One simple and easy step is to take about half of the things that are in the closet, your stuff, and neatly organize them, the stuff that's left, and space things evenly, and essentially that'll make things look a lot more orderly and a lot more spacious. Buyers usually do go through closets and cabinets, they open things up, so make sure they're clean and organized to show how spacious they are. And let them see your home. Lighting can be one of the most essential yet overlooked aspects of your home after location. Good lighting is the one thing that every buyer says that they want in a home, and you want to make sure that they could see it. So remove the curtains, clean the windows, change the lampshades, increase the wattage of your light bulbs, and even switch to LED bulbs. And I prefer the daylight bulbs. They seem to work best out there. And you'll immediately notice a difference, and so will potential buyers. So a bright and cheerful looking home is always more appealing. And we all love our animals. I do too. I got 4 dogs myself. Why everyone loves them, okay? Puppies and cats can have odors, and you want your home to be most appealing to everybody. The last thing you want is a potential buyer to walk through and smell the litter box or get hair stuck to them as they go through. So make sure that we don't give the idea that there's been any pet damage in the home. Make sure that if you're planning an open house or showing, that you consider having the pet stay with a friend or a relative for the day. And if you have any odors in your house from having pets, there's ways that you can hide that. I'd hide the litter box or put it in the basement. Make sure you have candles lit to help hide the smell if you have that there. That always helps. So if you like more tips like this, check us out online at nathanclarkteam.com. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 401-232-7661. And thanks for watching.